How to fix Redmi Note 13 screen dimming. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now here you can see the option auto brightness. If you turn on auto brightness, then turn it off. After turning off auto brightness, then turn off your dark mode. If you turn on dark mode, then turn it off. After turning off dark mode, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For start your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that. Now swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.